at the gas station. I'm not going nowhere because I'm not against the law.
Give me your keys.
You're against the law.
Give me your
Give me your keys.
keys. Give me your keys. Right now.
You're going to have to take them.
I'm asking you for them.
And I'm telling you, you're going to have to take them.
Okay. You're going to try to drive away?
No, I'll try and drive your nose through your face. I'm sick of it. No, it's not a threat. Not a threat at all. That is a promise.
Oh, okay.
You're not the law. You're a bought law. And I'm not going to go.
Okay. So what do you got for him?
I'm just trying to talk to him to understand what's going on.
I'm going to go.
Well, you're not free to leave.
And get some food.
You're not free to leave. Get your keys out of the ignition. Seriously? No.
Get! Oh my God!
Stop it right now! Stop it right now! Stop it right now! I swear to
Northbound on 35. At 23, hanging off the side of the suspect vehicle.
A state traffic management camera captured this section of the incident, with Boardman fleeing at a high rate of speed with Deputy Brown hanging onto the vehicle and Deputy Brueggemann giving chase in his squad.
God damn it, stop! Stop it right now! Jesus Christ, God damn it! 23 shots fired!